Hello class, today we are learning home science, cooking food. Why do we cook food? To improve its taste, to improve its appearance, to make it easy to eat, to make it easy to digest, to kill germs or bacteria, to make it appetizing, to preserve it. Hygiene practiced when cooking food. Cover your hair with a clean scarf or a chef's hat. Wear a clean apron or well-fitting clothes. Wash your hands thoroughly. Use clean utensils when cooking food. Keep the working area clean. Avoid sneezing or coughing in food. Keep your nails short and clean. Tidy up the kitchen after cooking. Safety precautions to observe when cooking food. Use a chopping board when chopping food items. Keep the floor dry to avoid slips and falls. Turn pot handles away from the front of the cooking stove. Be careful when lifting lids of hot food to avoid scalding. Use wooden spoons or cooking sticks to stir food while cooking. Handle knives carefully to avoid injuries. Ensure your hands and cooking utensils are dry when cooking with oil. Never leave cooking food unattended. Keep young children and pets out of the kitchen while cooking. Methods of cooking food: boiling, deep frying, shallow frying, steaming, stewing, roasting, baking, simmering, grilling, blanching, poaching. Thank you.